Art, nice to meet you. My name is Sunny. I'm 12 years old. I have a big family. This is my family. There are 4 people in my family. My dad is a builder. My mom is a nurse. I have one brother. My mom likes playing a game with me. My brother likes cooking. I wake up at 8 o'clock. I wash my face and I have breakfast. My family has breakfast at 8 o'clock. Mom eats nothing for breakfast. My dad, brother, and I have bread for breakfast. I go to school at 8:25. I go to school on foot. My school starts at 8:13 and ends at 3 o'clock. I always go to school with my friends. I see many buildings and many cars. Kim Kwon-sik is my friend. He is kind. My friend is 12 years old. He looks tall and smart. I met my friend at school. We always read comic books together. I love my friend. Thank you for listening.
Okay.